send 2 GB of data without creating an account. Yes, this is the business model of WeTransfer. Now WeTransfer is banned by Indian government. Why? Let's know in this video. As personally and as in my office, this is the most useful app to transfer files from this computer to another computer. Whether you are sitting beside or whether you are sitting outside of your location, you can transfer at the max of 2 GB without creating an account, without paying a single amount. You can transfer that data from here and you can transfer there. But now, without any reason telling, Indian government has banned this, and the most probable reason is that this is the WeTransfer is being used as illegally. Illegal data has been transferred over WeTransfer because there is no limit over that. So this website is being added in the banned website list, and now you can enable to use WeTransfer.com. Since there are more similar websites are available like WeTransfer, you can use them as per your requirement. They are also doing the same thing, data transfer from this PC and data transfer to another PC. You can use the alternative of WeTransfer till WeTransfer is back, but I don't think it will back by Indian government, so you should switch this to another competitor. If you like this video, you can check out my other videos. Hope this video is helpful for you. Right now I'm signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.